sinishare ko tong video para halimbawa, naiipon yung score mo, tapos in the long run, magkaroon na pala ng option dito para mag-earn ng 5 just by playing this game na Fruity Pie. Additional means na naman yun ng additional way or means na naman yun para makapag-generate tayo ng more Pie coins, okay?
Okay, so yung napanood nyo guys is a portion of our previous video regarding Pi Network gaming app na Fruity Pie, okay? Ito yung kauna-unahan or yung first ever verified gaming app dito sa Pi Network ecosystem. And na-post natin itong video na to 1 month ago, okay? So, today naman, ito yung date and time ng recording natin and gusto kong mag-provide, okay, or mag-share ng Pi Network news update in relation, okay, dito sa Pi Network gaming app na Fruity Pie, okay? So, kapag ka nag-open kayo guys ngayon ng inyong mga Pi Network account, sa landing page, okay, makikita ninyo itong blog or article about game apps in the Pi ecosystem. Okay, and featuring dito yung Fruity Pie, okay? So pagka-click natin yung learn more, mariredirect tayo sa more information and updates, okay, regarding the gaming and the Pi Network ecosystem, a match for utility. Okay, so ito yung article or recent article ng Pi Network, Pi Core team sa kanilang Pi ecosystem update, specifically sa gaming niche, okay, and ang focus nito is yung Fruity Pie, okay? Pi Network is building an ecosystem where utility drives engagement and vice versa, okay? The goal is to support apps that offer tangible benefits for pioneers, okay? Ang ganda nun, tangible benefits for pioneers. Ibig sabihin yung talagang makikinabang yung Pi community or lahat ng mga Pi users. Okay, sustain developer growth. Okay, so ibig sabihin kung i-integrate ng Pi Network yung mga gaming application sa kanilang Pi ecosystem, dapat sustainable. Hindi lang siya basta-basta short-term hype. Ang gusto ng Pi Network, long-term and sustainable development, okay? And strengthen the platform as a whole. Okay, within that vision, gaming stands out as a high potential category, okay? Okay, so dito naman, why gaming works for Pi. Okay, Pi Network is a social network-based cryptocurrency and blockchain that offers both app-level utilities like games for pioneers and platform-level utilities like massive audience, okay, or yung Pi community natin, collective attention and verified identity of millions of human beings, okay, for businesses and developers, okay. Very good choice of words, okay. So sabi dito, massive audience, yung Pi community natin yan, collective attention. So alam naman natin na dahil sa laki ng community ng Pi Network, kahit papano, kapag ka nag-pull up tayo ng data, alam natin na maraming following yung Pi Network, okay? And verified identity of millions of humans, okay? So, dito na papasok yung Pi KYC process natin, okay? And then for businesses and developers. So, in relation din yan sa recently announced Pi Ventures for small businesses along with the Pi e-commerce, Pi ads, or Pi ad, yung mga Pi advertisement, and then yung Pi payments, ayan. So, gaming therefore, okay, sits as an intersection of several key strengths that Pi Network is uniquely positioned to leverage. Okay? Ayan. So, dito naman sa part na to, talagang in-expound lang yung mga key points na na-mention dito sa upper part ng article. So, social interactions, the attention economy, virtual goods, and real behaviors. Okay. So, dito naman sa pasadahan lang natin ng mabilis tong virtual goods and real behaviors. Okay. In-game economics already normalize digital transactions. Ibig sabihin, hindi na bago or unti-unti nang nagiging normal or norm, okay? Sa digital space, yung idea na magkaroon ng earning potential kapag ka naglalaro yung mga players online. Or most commonly, ang tawag natin dito before, di ba, yung like Axie Infinity, Crypto Blades, kung naabutan niyo yung Crypto Blades, yung mga play to earn. cryptocurrencies and application, okay? Hindi na tayo magdudwell too much on Axie Infinity and the Crypto Blades. I'm also expecting different responses kapag na-brought up natin yung mga example ng mga games na yan. Pero ang gusto nating mangyari is to give chance dito naman sa ibang mga promising cryptocurrency projects. Halimbawa itong Pi Network, okay? Although napaka-basic nung gaming interface nitong FruityPie, kapag ka in-integrate mo kasi yung idea or concept ng play to earn, hindi natin masasabi kung matatapatan niya ba yung naging performance before ng mga sobrang ang gagandang interface na gaming applications like Axie Infinity and yung Crypto Blades. In fairness naman, nung nalaro ko yun, okay naman siya, kaso nga lang hindi naging successful in the long run, okay? I'm uncertain with the Axie Infinity kung I'm in the understanding na may naglalaro pa ng Axie Infinity, pero yung attention niya compared last 2021 until today, hindi na siya ganun ka mainstream or ganong sobrang binibigyan ng attention unlike before, okay? Unlike 2021. Okay, so itong Pi Network kasi, kung nag-research ka and naniniwala ka sa kanilang ecosystem, kung i-incorporate kasi nila yung gaming sa kanilang ecosystem and magi-stick sila sa mga nakalagay na mission and vision sa kanilang roadmap, may potential kasi na mag-succeed sila, okay, kung i-incorporate nila yung play to earn concept dito sa FruityPie, okay? More on that kapag binasa natin yung details ng article na to, okay? So, Pi Network Ventures and Gaming Innovation, okay? Recognizing this alignment, Pi Network Ventures, ayan na, oh. So, hindi lang siya solely gaming, hindi lang siya basta-basta laro na dinevelop dito sa Pi ecosystem. Tingnan nyo, nami-mention din yung ibang Pi ecosystem use case. So, recognizing this alignment, Pi Network Ventures considers gaming an important vertical to invest in to boost Pi utility and is actively looking at projects that incorporate game design or full-fledged games to drive ecosystem utility. Ayan. Ano yung reaction ninyo? Comment your thoughts and i-continue natin yung conversation through the comment section. And disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purposes only and not financial advice. Okay, I always encourage everyone to do their own research whenever engaging in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Maraming salamat. See you sa next video natin.